Cutting the onions over here. Next, tomato. Cutting. Putting the oil. Oh, the egg. Onion. Tomato. Egg. Now we go for the chicken. Put that one. Put the oil. Taste. Put the chicken in the oil. Slicing the onion again. Put the chicken. Oh, taste this. Oh, slicing. Oh, taste this again. Oh, put it aside. Oh, put the onion in the chicken. Oh, put some soy sauce. Oh, put some mayo. Hello. Mix. Oh, pepper. Put in the pan. Put the egg. Damn. Eating. Oh. Put in the water. Oh. One more. Oh. One more. Another one. Chicken. Another one. Another one. No. And it's gone. Easy. Too easy.